Hello, my name is Akira. Today I'm going to make a ginger mocktail. So first we add the ginger and we're going to mull. Now we add lime, about 15 ml. Now we add honey, about 10 ml. Now we add ice. Now we add ginger ale. Now we're going to add nilly crush. And finally we're going to add a garnish. So now we add a straw. So this is your ginger mocktail.
Good afternoon. My name is Kalna. Today we are making a Panta Punch cocktail and we using 40 ml of dark rum, 60 ml of pineapple juice and 60 ml of orange juice, 25 ml of lime juice and 25 ml of rose syrup. First we add in 40 ml of dark rum and we add in 60 ml of pineapple juice and we add in 60 ml of orange juice, 25 ml of lemon juice, 25 ml of rose syrup. Then we add in ice cubes and shakes. And we add in garnish. This Plant Punch Mocktail.